Okay, good day guys, and I have had a question from my student here. We have pentane, C5H12, react with oxygen. There is combustion reaction, produces your carbon dioxide and water. Alright, the reactants here are present in exact ratio as predicted by the balance equation. Right, by the balance chemical equation. A mixture of hydrocarbon, as you know, the hydrocarbon that is your C5H12, right? That is your pentane, is a family for your alkane, right? Alkane is your, what's the general formula for alkane? Is your CnH2n plus 2, where n is equal to 5. That will give you your pentane, right? Pentane, right? Pentane. All right. So these two gases is spark at 500 degrees Celsius. The gases are in a ratio of volumes of 1:8. Okay, and equivalent total volume at RTP, room temperature and pressure, of 0.9 cubic decimeter. Okay, we are required to find the volume of carbon dioxide and water produced, right, in the gaseous form. And of course, the next part is to find the total volume of gases at 500 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius, right? Okay, it's easy. Okay, let's get going for part A here, right? This part A, this part B, right? So part A here, we have your pentane C5H12, right? The ratio with respect to your oxygen, that means 1:8 from your given chemical equation here, right? And the given volume, the total volume at RTP is 0.9. That means right, that means the total is 9 units here. So 9 units, right? 9 units equal to 0.9 cubic decimeter. Alright, so for your pentane C5H12 is 1 unit, right? So 1 unit is equal to 0.9 divided by 9, 0.1 cubic decimeter, right, of pentane C5H12. My goodness, why I put 15? C5H12, right? That's your pentane. Okay. And then what we have is the oxygen, right? The volume of oxygen. Oxygen is 8 units. So 8 units obviously equal to 0.8 cubic decimeter of oxygen gas, right? So from there we can find the volume of your carbon dioxide and water produced, right? Okay, so from there we know that from the given chemical equation, right, your carbon dioxide CO2 is to your water H2O, right? We know from your the balanced chemical equation, right, your carbon dioxide is 5 unit, right? Your water is 6 unit, right? That means 5 multiplied by 0.1, that will give you 0.5 cubic decimeter of carbon dioxide CO2, right? And water will be 6 units, so 6 multiplied by 0.1, that will give you 0.6 cubic decimeter of water, right? That's all, right? So total volume, right? Total volume of the products, total products will be equal to 0.5 plus 0.6, that will give you 1.1 cubic decimeter, right? Okay, we do not have to calculate the volume of, or rather include the volume of your pentane and oxygen, because your pentane and oxygen, right, they have been completely used up during the chemical reaction, complete combustion. All right, and for part B, remember this is at 500 degrees Celsius, right? And if they want to be at 25 degrees Celsius, at 25 degrees Celsius, obviously your water here, right, from gaseous state at 25 degrees Celsius, your water will obviously has condensed, right? So we can ignore that. That means we only have your 0.5 cubic decimeter of carbon dioxide, right, at at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, that's all. Thank you, folks. Take care. Bye bye.